Welcome to another exciting day. We have here a single piece. It is worn out. I just removed this from a factory. On my previous video, I feature three piece just like this. It's a Schneider. And it is a 50 ampere. So let's open it. Same as the three piece, it has a compartment. Just remove this screw. Black screw will do, small. And if you do it like that, it has also a compartment. The three piece has two of this, each on every side, and it fits some auxiliary switch, same as the three piece, and you can use it similar to the three piece. It fits. Also, this is a cable entry. You can do this, you can use this also if you put it on the top. We can also put shunt trip if you want to remotely trip the circuit breaker. The shunt trip. See? I'll put the link how you use this auxiliary switch and relay switch. Also the three piece that we reviewed on the previous video. This one, you can open the internal component using a torque screw number T10. Same as the three piece. These are the screw. Just open it like that. Oh, this one can be removed. And if you can see this, you can see that it is a worn out. It has heat accumulation, a burn marks. Like that. This one can be removed. See, this just TIG weld. This one, if it's so hot, it will push this one, it will trip. So that's a thermal. So the line 2 is heating up, meaning overload. And on the other side, this is the arc extinguisher. Let's check it out. Can I move this one? Oh, okay. That one. Also, this one. Oh, reset. Okay. And you're going to see, look at that. It has burn marks also, the flash, the arc flash, which created if you turn it on and off. This one, yes, it's the same. It has a burn marks, just a carbon. Because if you turn it on and off, the contact sparks, and it sparks a lot. If it has a large load, we can see the carbon. Just put it like that, and look at that. That's how you see if it's used. On the other side, those are the carbons. If it's not clean, it creates a unbalanced voltage, and it's going to have a voltage loss. UPS are sensitive on that issue, so you can clean it or just replace it. Now, this one, it's for the internal mechanism if you want to remove it, but right now it's simple and it can be seen, so no need to remove it. But if you want to see the screw, just remove this one. See, just a screw to remove the internal parts. Just put it back. Now we can put it back. Just like that. Just put back the two torque screw. Yep. Maybe on the next video I'm going to test this tripping test which has a large load. And again, just close this. Okay, so we're good.